One of my favorite poses is doing a back arc in the pool. I call it Reverse Cobra. I like to use a thick pool noodle for a little more support, and I use it under my shoulder blades in the middle of my back. You have to get wet for this pose, so this falls into that what works in your personal practice. Once I'm laying down, I'm going to take my hands and feet closer to the pool floor, so it's going to take me into a little bit of a back arc, and I like to hold it for a second and then come back to center, so it's a little bit of a pulse. To come out, you lift your head, bend your knees, set your feet back on the pool floor. I hope you find it yummy too.